Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and today we're taking a look at iOS 13 Developer Beta 3. And this will be available for over-the-air install for most devices, but there are some problems with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus with this beta, but hopefully that will be coming soon. And then of course, public beta 2 will be coming out hopefully soon as well. So the first thing to take note of is the Find My app. Now, instead of it being two tabs between people and devices, or essentially Find My Friends and Find My iPhone, now there is a third tab, which is Me. And this you can turn off location sharing. You can see which devices you are sharing from. You can allow friend requests and receive location. This was previously found in the I tab up above, which when you would click on that, it would give you your settings as well as your personal profile. But now this is a separated tab, which makes it a little bit easier to change the map view between default, hybrid, and satellite, but it also gives you your own section for Me. Now when you're in contacts, your emergency contacts will have a star or a red asterisk by their names, so that if you're going through, you can easily find and identify your emergency contacts. If you have a pair of Beats that have noise cancellation, such as the Beats Studio, you'll be able to toggle that from your volume settings. So just as you toggle on your dark mode or your night shift or your true tone, you can now toggle on noise cancellation if you are paired to a pair of Beats that do have noise cancellation available. In screenshots on the iPhone, you now have the feature that was already on the iPad to change the opacity of your markup. So if you want to make your background a little bit blurred out and a little bit less opacity, you can do your markups, and we'll do it in black. You can do your markups, but they will be more prominent because you can change the opacity now on the iPhone to make the background more or less visible to show off your annotations more or less. And again, this was already on the iPad, but now we're seeing it on the iPhone with beta version 3. Now the one you may have heard of is in FaceTime. So in here, you now have a setting for FaceTime attention correction. With this turned on, it'll use AR to basically make it look like you're looking at the person you're talking to, whether you're looking at yourself, them, or if you're looking at the camera up top. And this will try to make it look like you're staring at the other person, regardless of where you're actually staring on the screen. Now in Mail, the color for archiving a message is this purple, whereas before it was more of a navy color. This is a slight difference, but now archives are purple. Now under privacy, there is the new settings for your health and headphone audio levels. I talked about this in a separate video, but now you have this toggle for turning it on or off, whether you want it to record the levels, and you can see the devices that it might be getting audio from, such as AirPods, Beats, and Powered Beats, as well as including other headphones that aren't made by Apple or aren't supported with a W1 chip. You can still try to get audio levels from them, such as different car devices and speakers with microphones. And finally, you can have more incremental controls over the cursor size of the mouse, and it does appear to have gotten slightly smaller, which is a step in the right direction. So that is iOS 13 Beta 3. Nothing crazy, the FaceTime one's pretty cool, and some other tweaks here and there, but that is what I found so far. Let me know if you found any others or any of these are appealing to you. Thanks for watching.